Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something that floats up in the sky. Can you guess? That's right, a colorful hot air balloon. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the big round shape of the balloon. Start from the top, go around, and stop at the bottom. Great job! Now let's draw some curved lines inside the balloon. These will help us color each section with rainbow colors later. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. You're doing awesome. Next, we'll draw the little basket or bucket under the balloon. Let's connect it with ropes. 1, 2. Now draw the basket. Looks like a little square at the bottom. Perfect. Let's decorate the basket with little lines. 1 line, 2 lines, like a tiny fence. Super cool. Now let's draw some fluffy clouds around the balloon. They're like soft marshmallows floating in the sky. 1 cloud, 2 clouds, more clouds. Wow, your sky looks amazing. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so it really pops. Go over the lines again with your black marker. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Let's use our favorite rainbow colors. Do you have your color pens ready? Let's go. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. Whoa! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring your hot air balloon. Give yourself a big clap. If you had fun, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Toddler's Art Hub, and come back for more fun drawing adventures. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.